Hi everyone, I'm gonna present you a demo I've been doing in my PhD. For that, I'm gonna use my vacuum cleaner, which is quite noisy, you will see. I'm gonna use the traditional airborne microphone from my computer without disabling the speech enhancement and noise cancelling algorithms of OBS Studio. And finally, I'm gonna use this microphone, which is a throat mic, and I put it like that to capture the body conducted speech. So I'm gonna stick with the first airborne microphone and start my vacuum cleaner. So I don't think Yeah, so I was saying that I think you're struggling to understand what I'm saying with the classic microphone when the vacuum cleaner is on. And now I'm gonna switch to my demo. I'm gonna start the stream of the Throat microphone, disable first the bandwidth extension processing.
Yeah, so right now you're hearing me with the throat microphone. I'm gonna start again the vacuum cleaner, and I think it's still understandable but difficult because the bandwidth is reduced. Then, if I go back to the throat microphone and I the mini processing, you can hear me differently with the quality that is high enough to understand what I am saying. You can see on the spectrogram that all the frequencies are back thanks to the bandwidth extension algorithms. And if I go back to the traditional microphones with the speech enhancement algorithm of OBS Studio, this
What we hear. So we have to understand.
whereas if I use the fourth microphone with my bandwidth extension algorithm on body conducted speech, you can understand clearly what I'm saying.
Then last time here almost impossible to understand what I'm saying. Yeah, so just to give you some insights, I added latency here because sometimes my computer struggles to run both the video recording and the Mimi inference, but when I close all my application, I can put this to 0. So this was the demo. I hoped you liked it. Have a good day.